This is another homework question to solve radical equation of square root of x plus 2 equal to square root of x plus 11. We were using the principle if a equal to b, then a squared will equal to b squared. So you can square on both sides and they are still equal. Usually, we like to isolate the square root by itself, but in this question, we have a 2 square root. So we want to balance a little bit. We're going to leave the one, each side only have a 1 square root. So this one looks like a good balance. We're going to go ahead and square both sides in here. Remember the left-hand side is 2 items perfect square. We're going to using the perfect square formula. A plus b perfect square is equal to first term a squared plus 2 times a and b, and then plus b squared. So if I use the formula, I will have a first term square, which is square root of x squared, plus 2 times the first term times the second term, plus the second term square, and equal to the right-hand side. This right-hand side is only 1 item, perfect square. So square root and square cancel out. We will have x plus 11. So simplify a little bit. Square root of x squared is x plus 4 square root of x plus 4 equal to x plus 11. We're going to minus x on both sides and then minus 4 on both sides. So this x cancel out, this x cancel out, 4 cancel out. So we have a 4 square root of x left on the left-hand side. Right-hand side, you have 11 minus 4, so that is 7. We're going to isolate square root of x first. So I would like to divide both sides by 4. So we will have a square root of x equal to 7 divided by 4. Okay, so we like to isolate square root of x first, and then square both sides. Okay, we square both sides in this one, and then square root of x squared will be x, and the right-hand side square will be 49 over 16. Remember, every time if you square on both sides, you must check your final answer because we have a potentially adding more solutions. So in order to check this one, you will need to plug x value into the original equation, check the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. So my left-hand side is the square root of x plus 2. So square root of x, which is square root of 49 over 16 plus 2. This taking out the square root, we have a 7 over 4 plus 2, and that giving you 15 over 4. All right, right-hand side, we have this perfect square. So my right-hand side here is square root of x plus 11. So we have a 49 over 16 plus 11. Do a little bit addition. We have 11 times 16 plus 49. They were giving you 225 over 16. And this taking the square root, we are giving you 15 over 4. So this one, you can see we have a left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so since we have a left equal to right, so x equal to 49 over 16 is a solution for this equation. All right.